First two problems I discussed. So when you are taking like this, you have to find already I said no like that you can take. Okay. Next I am changing equation, that is ever visually x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. So very easy, because here 9 I am taking, here 6 if you take, 3x plus 3x, if you multiply 3 into 3 9, 3x plus 3x 6x, like that you have to imagine. So then you will get the quadratic equation, that is doesn't matter. Okay. Next I am going to third question. So what is third question there? Alpha beta, this models only they will give ma, listen carefully, that's why I am telling that problems. Beta by alpha, if you do like this, so first of all you have to write LCM alpha beta clearly. Okay. So how to write numerator terms, that is the big question mark. So this value into alpha you have to write LCM. For example, what is the value? Alpha beta into LCM you have to write. So if you write like this, beta beta cancel, what is the remaining terms? Alpha into alpha, alpha square, like that. So second term into LCM you have to take beta by alpha into, what is the LCM? Alpha beta. Here what is the cancel term? Alpha alpha cancel. So beta into beta, beta square, in between plus there, plus will give. See again, this is a square plus b square. Now only I said a square, a plus b whole square equal to, how to write, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This value if you bring this side, negative minus 2ab, so you have to get finally a square plus b square. So how to write? A plus b whole square means in terms of alpha beta you can write alpha plus beta whole square. If you bring this side negative will come, minus ab means you have to write in terms of alpha beta, 2 alpha beta by here alpha beta. See, this is in the sum of the two roots, this product of the two roots, product of the, like that you have to convert always. So now alpha plus beta means here already you know formula, minus b by m, minus b by a. What is b value here? Minus 6, a value 1, that means minus 6 will come. Next c by a, product of the two roots, that means c by a. C by a means what this, you have to compare always given equation 9. What is a value? What is a value here? 1, nothing but 9 will come. So sum of the two roots value minus 6, product of the two roots value 9. So I am substituting this value, this equation, then you will get the answer. See properly, minus 6 whole square minus 2 into 9 by, again alpha beta coming here 9. That means if we simplify, 36 will come, because again here negative, so even number means that is even or that is negative or positive, or finally you have to get only positive value when you are taking negative symbol, even number. So 36 minus 18 by 9. So 36 minus, if you have to subtract from 36 18, then what you have to get? 18 by 9, 9 ones, 9 twos, that equal to 2 answer. So like that you have to take. This is third one, like that you have to take. Sometimes they will give fourth one, same equation I am taking. So if you take fourth question, how to do that one? Alpha power minus 2, beta power minus 2. Sometimes they will give like this. So generally 1 by x, how to write them? X inverse. So if you take x inverse or 1 by, both are same, you know, like that only. So if you take x power minus b, then how to write 1 by x? Like that here also have to write down like that only. Alpha power minus 2, then how to write 1 by alpha square. Already clearly I said x power minus 1, how to write 1 by x, like that only. So x power means if you take denominator, that is positive value will come. So same like that only, 1 by beta square. Already you know what is the LCM process, already you know. So alpha square beta square, first write down. If you bring this side, beta square will come. If you multiply this side, alpha square. So now this is in the form of, so always I am telling you, so beta square plus alpha square plus beta square, both are same only. Okay, because here plus only. So I am writing formula a square plus b square formula, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by, here you have to convert product of the two roots. Then how to write? power same only. Power same means you can write directly, you can multiply and write down power value 2. So same value will come, alpha square beta square. Okay. So now if you take alpha plus beta value minus 6, I think so same value will come, because minus 6 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta value 9 by alpha beta value 9 square, 9 square, that equal to, this is we multiply square, 36 square, 36 minus 18, 2 into 9 by again 9 square, 9 into 9, 81 will come, 81. So that equal to, here what you have to get here, 18 by 81. Okay. If you take 9 table, 9 twos, 9 nines. So now for now not possible. After that not possible. 2 by 9 the answer. Like that you have to take. So next, if you take next one, this is important. Alpha power 3, beta power 3. So before telling this one, so already you know formula, a cube plus b cube or a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube? Like a plus b whole square. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. 3ab into a plus b. This is the formula for a plus b whole cube. In question asking alpha power 3, beta power 3. So where is alpha power 3, beta power 3 in this equation? These two terms. So leave it the two terms, remaining terms you can bring this side. Then already here a plus b is there. I am writing same term. So here plus, if you bring this side, minus will come, minus, write down same value, minus 3ab into a plus b. So next, in between equal to there, equal, what is remaining terms? A cube plus b cube. So I am writing in terms of ab. So you can change alpha beta. See here, question asking alpha power alpha power 3 plus beta power 3. So how to write? A plus b whole power 3 minus 3ab into a plus b. See here, sum of the two roots, product of the two roots, again sum of the two roots. So like that. So then how to write this one? Alpha plus beta whole power 3 minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So if we take like this, I am writing formula here, alpha plus beta whole power 3 minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta into alpha plus beta. So if you substitute values, same value I am taking. So see, minus b by nothing but sum of the two roots. What is that value? Minus 6. This one, alpha plus beta value. This is alpha plus beta value. Minus 6. So alpha beta value already clearly written here, 9. How to get? C by a. If we take c by a, you will get this answer. If we take minus b by a, you will get minus 6. Okay, already I said clearly. So alpha plus beta whole power 3 means what you have to take? Minus 6. Minus 6 whole power 3 minus 3 into alpha beta value 9. We'll take 9. Again alpha plus beta value minus 6. So if you take, so minus 6 whole power 3. See here power value is odd number. Odd number means what is the value here? Negative value. So if you take odd number, always negative will come first of all. Okay. So even means always positive will come. Negative will come. So I am writing here minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6. Minus some minus plus into minus, again what we will get this symbol? Minus. What you will get symbol? Minus. Okay. If you multiply 6 into 6, 36. 36 into 6. 6 into 6, 36. 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So what you have to get finally here? Minus 216. Like that. Here see, this is product only. Here minus there. Here minus there. So when you are taking product, if you take two same symbols, minus minus plus will come. Okay. Now here 3 into 6 first I am taking. Any two values you can take. That is your wish only. So I am taking first. That is your wish. 3 into 9, 27 into 6. Still there I have to multiply 27 into 6. If we take 27 into 6, what you have to get? 27 into 6, 42. So 6 into 2, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 162. So here minus 216 plus 162. So if you subtract, then you will get the answer, next answer. So now next one. So until 5 completed. Okay, next sixth one. If we take sixth one, alpha power minus 3, beta power minus 3. Okay, so if you take inequality equation, changing equation x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. First you have to write sum of the two roots, product of the roots. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Okay, minus b by a means b value 2, that means minus 2 by x, a value here 1, that is minus 2. Next, product of the two roots, alpha beta, c by a. C by a nothing but what is the value? 1. What is a value? 1. 1 by nothing but 1 only. Okay, first you have to write clearly this data. Now if you go to here, so how to write alpha power minus 3, beta power minus 3? So that implies, clearly I said, so alpha power minus 2, how do you written? 1 by alpha power 3, 1 by beta power 3. That's all. So if you take LCM, alpha power 3, beta power 3, if you multiply this side, beta power 3, if you multiply cross multiply this side, alpha power 3. So again this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Already I said no, a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Like that if you take, so how to write? In terms of how to convert always sum of the two roots, product of the two roots. So if you write a plus b whole cube, in terms of if you write alpha beta, alpha plus beta whole cube, again minus 3ab, that means 3 alpha beta into a plus b, that means here alpha plus beta by alpha beta. See again here power same value, so multiplication. So when you are taking power value same, you can write directly power value 3 alpha beta whole power 3. So now if you substitute these values, then you will get the answer. So what is alpha plus beta? Minus 2 whole power 3 minus 3 into alpha beta value 1, again alpha plus beta value minus 2. So numerator is over. Come to denominator, alpha beta value 1. So they are asking power 3. I am putting here 3. So now minus 2 whole power 3. That means again I am telling you here odd number. Odd number means again negative symbol will come. Negative 2 into 2 into 2. That means minus 8. Why you are getting minus 8? This is minus 2. So negative number. So power value odd number. If you take power value even number, always you have to get positive number. So here odd number, that's why you are getting negative value. So here come to next two terms. So here minus there, here minus, entire this is product. So in product, if you take any two negative numbers, plus will come. 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 6. So I come to denominator, 1 power 3. 1 power 3 means nothing but always 1 will come. So minus 6 plus 2. So big value having here negative value. That's why negative symbol will come. Minus 2 by 1 in minus 2. So this is the sixth one. So next seventh one. Alpha beta square plus alpha square beta. So if you take same equation, x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, alpha plus beta equal to minus 2, alpha beta equal to already you know 1 value. So how to write? First of all, sum of the two roots, product of the two roots. How to convert the two terms? Very easy, amma. See here beta square is there. Take it common beta. Here alpha square. How many alpha terms is there? 2 alphas. Here 2 betas there. So that's why from first term I am taking beta. From second term I am taking alpha. Taking common. So if you take, you can write alpha beta or beta alpha also same only. So here alpha will come. Here beta will come. Again you can multiply, same function will come. Okay. So now this is product of the two roots. This is sum of the two roots. So what is the value? Alpha beta value is 1. So alpha plus beta value is minus 2. If you multiply, what you have to getting value? Minus 2, like that. So very easy only. Again I am telling you, In first term, you have to take beta because here two beta terms is there. That's why you have to take here beta. Here alpha you have to take alpha square. So here alpha will come. So these two terms have to multiply. So here alpha will come. Here beta will come. So see here. So beta alpha into alpha plus beta. Beta alpha, alpha beta both are similar. Like that you have to take common. Okay. Next. Go to next one. What is the next one? This is also important. Alpha power 5, beta power 8 plus alpha power 8, beta power 5. Then here see how to get here alpha power, here if you take this one beta power 8. So 8 terms beta terms are there. So that's why I am taking here from first term beta power 5, second term alpha terms 8 terms there. That's why from second one I am taking common alpha, first term I am taking beta. So don't confuse here. So if you take common alpha power 5, then what you have to get here alpha power 3, here beta power 3. You can multiply again, amma, same equation will come. Okay. So I will check it. Okay, don't confuse here. Beta power 5 into alpha power 5 into alpha power 3. That means plus beta power 5 to alpha power 5 into, for confirmation I am doing here beta power 3. Okay. Here beta power 5. Here bases equal. Bases equal means powers automatically will be added. That means what you have to get here alpha power 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 means 8 plus beta power 5. Here beta values, two beta values is there. First I am writing alpha value. Only one value there. That's why I am writing alpha value. Alpha power 5. Now here also bases both are same only. Here beta. Then what is the condition? So always if bases equal means powers will be always added only. So 5 plus 3. Then what you have to get? Beta power 8. You can check it. Same only. Same will come. So interchangeable. Plus means so no problem. That doesn't matter. Okay. So if you substitute in this equation, then how to write this equation? So beta power 5, alpha power 5. That means power value same only. So you can write directly alpha beta whole 5. When you have to, it is possible only product only. Okay. If you take subtraction, if you take addition, it is not possible. Only product only it is possible. Okay. Again. So this is alpha cube plus beta cube. So we have to convert this formula alpha plus beta. You have to convert. Already I said clear. Again I am writing here a plus b whole cube that equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So how to convert here? Question asking here alpha cube plus beta power 3 value. So see here. So bring this value this side. Then how to write? Already here I am writing in terms of alpha beta minus 3 alpha beta. AB means alpha beta into alpha plus beta. That is the formula. So you can substitute that value. Already we are taking here values alpha beta first. Alpha beta value 1 power 5 into alpha plus beta value minus 2 whole power 3 minus 3 into 1 alpha plus beta value again minus 2. So like that you have to take. Okay. So here if you take power 1 power value same alpha beta value are substituted already here. 1 power 5 means 1. So if you take this is product, entire product. So minus 2. 2 into 2 into 2 8. 2 into 2 4 into 2 8. So again here odd number then negative value. That means what you have to get negative value finally minus 8. So again if you take these two here, when you are taking multiplication, when you are taking negative, two symbols are negative, then you have to get finally again positive symbol. So 3 into 1 3 into 2 6. So 1 into minus 6 minus 8 plus 6. What is the answer? Minus 2. That equal to answer is again minus 2. Okay, next question.